Okay, today I'm unboxing the e-trailer Hitch, and has here, bottom of the box, should not be the end of your relationship, call them if you need help, and has a link here for a review. And this is what you get inside the box. I guess it just comes fully assembled. The box says it weighs 36 pounds, so it's pretty light. Okay, this hitch comes with all the necessary hardware. The package included has a date that it was prepared, May 9th, 2024 at 8:25, and the part number. It comes with 6 bolts and 6 washers, the diagram and the instructions. Step 1 in the instructions says to remove the underbody panel, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 push fasteners. Next, use a 14mm socket to loosen the 3 bolts. And as the picture there. Number 2, raise the hitch into position and loosely secure the 6 M10 bolts and 6 conical tooth washers. Lower the exhaust if needed to ease installation. Number 3, tighten all M10 bolts to 48 foot-pounds. And it's as simple as that, so we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so you use this tool to remove the push pins. The Sportage has 6 altogether, so you pull these all out, and then you drop the this cover. Okay, after removing the push pins here, you can just pull this out, or which is what I did, or you can go in there and find a tool to just unscrew these out. As you can see, they do screw out, and in this case I pulled them, and this one stayed in, but yeah, that's one way of doing it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mount the bolts on each side, and the holes are there already, and mount the hitch. As you can see here, I test fitted the 2 bolts on one side, and it should be the same for the other side. Okay, it only weighs around 36 pounds, so I found it easier to use this floor jack to help me hold it up while I align the bolts. And I started out with inserting the bolt back here first, and loosely fitting that one, and then inserting this one, and then lastly this bolt here. I'm going to tighten them up and then torque it to about 36 foot-pounds is what I believe is what's included in the documentation as far as the instructions for the torque. Okay, I tightened all the bolts. Now I am going to torque it to 48 foot-pounds, and everything should be good. Okay, I finished installing it and torquing it to 48 foot-pounds. That is the clearance here, and it doesn't have enough room to reinstall the shield that was here. I may just put it back in, but cut out this area here just to prevent dirt and dust from getting up in here. And again, this is on a 2023 KIA Sportage. Hope you enjoyed watching this short video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.